On this episode of Maury, 17-year-old Quita Lene Johnson claims that 18-year-old Lamar Littlefoot Thomas is the father of their 60-month-year-old daughter, Quamar Mayfoot Johnson.
Lamar always telling people that I'm crazy for even believing that Quamar is his daughter. But little did he know, I was sitting up in his AP bio class and I learned a little something about genetics. And it was taught by the greatest Braylon D. Mosby. And I'm just here today to let y'all know that he is the daddy.
I have no idea why Quita would even say that I am the father of that little devil child of hers. She has been stalking me for 5 years and I just want her to leave me alone. I am here to prove to you all today that she is not the crop of any seed that I have ever sown. Good evening, everyone. Today you're going to meet Quita Lene Johnson. That is a long name. She says that her old boyfriend is the father of her daughter, Quamar. She says that he has been ignoring her, he has put multiple restraining orders on her, and he has neglected their little child. Let's bring out Quita. How are you today?
I'm good. And it's Johnson, not Johnson.
Okay. So, your name's Quita Lene Johnson. Johnson.
Johnson. Say it with me.
Johnson.
Okay.
Gotcha. Okay, so the name of your daughter, what's her name?
Quamar.
What's her middle name?
Why does that matter?
Okay. Just asking, because it was rather long. I thought it may have been long like your name. And rather ratchet. But, okay, moving on. Questions. To the questions.
Oh, okay.
So, how long were you and Lamar together before you had the little Quamar?
I would say we was about together for like 3 years before we had Quamar. He be trying to act like he ain't never met me before, but we was together. That was my little boo-boo.
All right. So you have with you today why you think he's the father. Can you show it to everyone today?
Okay, this is a little release form from the women's hospital showing my baby's blood type and Lamar's blood type and my blood type. Okay, so as y'all can see, Lamar has B blood type, right? Right. Okay, and I have A blood type, right? Okay, and then our baby Quamar has AB blood type. As you can see in this Punnett square right here, I got this, made, because, he be trying to play me like it's not our baby, but it is. But yeah, I got this made, and the Punnett square shows that he is the father, because we have the same blood type that makes her our child. And I also have a little photo, a little Quamar right here. She a bad little diva. She is. And she a little diva, and I don't understand why Lamar wouldn't want to claim her. Like, she is bad. Look at her.
So this bad term, is it in bad like her behavior?
No, bad is in cute. Do you see the way she dressed? Maury, do you see the way she dressed?
I'm
My baby got
confused.
stockings on, red shoes.
I'm actually confused. So if she looks great, then what's so bad about her?
Bad is a term that's used now in today's time, saying that somebody look good. Like, I look bad. I look good. Really.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Well, are you ready to bring Lamar out here?
Yeah, I guess we can bring his little undenying self.
All right. So let's bring out Lamar. And we're back here with Quita. And I'm sorry to inform you all, but Lamar said that he couldn't really quite make it to the show today. But we are going to ask him our questions from the... Okay, I'm sorry, guys.
Yup,
I'm sorry.
He sucked. Boo.
And I apologize that he's not going to be able to make it here today, but we will still do a video call with him, and he will still answer my questions. Okay, is he on the phone now? All right, Lamar. So can you explain to us why you decided not to come onto the show with me and Quita today? Because she really wanted to see you here.
I sure did.
Well, I really didn't just have time to deal with her nonsense today. She's way too ratchet, and she's rather dirty for me, and I really don't want to be in her presence.
Wow.
Boy, you got me messed up.
So, Lamar, Quita said that you were together 3 years before you even had Quamar, but you said that you didn't know her at all. Can you explain? Are these allegations true?
They are absolutely not true. We went to the same high school, and that is all. She stalked me, she followed me all through high school, and I just want her to go.
He is a liar.
Well, I guess we have two different opinions right here, but what do you think about that?
That was my boo. He was my boo. I was his bae. We was together. We was like this. We was 2 peas in a pod.
All right. Anyway, so Lamar, can you please explain why you think Quamar is not your daughter, please?
Let's hear this.
Well, if Quita was actually in my AP biology class and actually paid attention in my AP biology class, then she would have learned about dominant traits and recessive traits. And she would also know that her daughter, supposedly my daughter, which is very not true. She's a liar. She's just a big liar. But anyways, that little thing, she has a widow's peak. I do not have a widow's peak, nor does Quita. And if she were actually in my AP biology class, she would know and understand that having a widow's peak is a dominant trait, meaning that both parents possess that specific genotype for that specific trait. So if I don't have the trait, meaning I'm recessive, and she doesn't have the trait, meaning she's recessive, how can we have a dominant genotype?
Because that's your baby.
That has a widow's peak. I'm really not understanding, Maury. I'm really not understanding.
True. That is very true, actually.
Somebody needs to explain something to me because she's a liar.
No, I'm not. That's his baby.
Well, we'll be right back with the results to see if Quamar is actually Lamar's daughter.
Yeah,
Stay
and
tuned.
she is. That's her daddy.
And the results are in, and I'm back with Quita. How do you think you're going to feel about these results?
Oh, I'm 110% sure that he is the daddy.
Oh, is that so?
Yup.
Well, before we actually tell you all the results, I'm just going to explain the process and what DNA is. Well,
the process that made him the daddy.
All right. DNA is the genetic material that people inherit from their parents. Each chromosome contains one long DNA molecule, usually consisting of several hundred to more than 1,000 genes. See now how this contributes to our actual answer and how
Quita
and her daughter.
Oh, Quamar.
Yeah, is really the daughter of Lamar, is that basically the DNA binds to a strip of RNA to later translate a message within the nucleus that leads to a clear answer as to whether these two people are compatible. So are you ready for the answer?
Because I already know he's daddy.
Alright. When it comes to 60-month-year-old Quamar Nayfoot Johnson, Lamar Littlefoot Thomas,
you is the daddy.
Is
you
not
is
the father.
We gotta do better. See, I told you that she wasn't my daughter. Now leave me alone. If I ever see you again, I will have you locked up immediately.
Locked up? You ain't got no restraining order.
I actually have 5 restraining orders on you, so leave me alone now.
Well, how are you feeling, Quita?
He the daddy.
Well, it's not.
Look at that DNA test. He the daddy. He the daddy. I just knew he was the daddy.
Quita, wait, Quita, come back. Get yourself together. Quita. It's okay. okay. We're gonna find the father of your child, Quita. It's okay. We're gonna find him. Just get it together. Even though you weren't supposed to be with that many men at one time, it's okay.